Do you know what is the most important difference between traditional advertisement and online advertisement? We all prefer online advertisement because it gives us detailed report at the unit level. Means when one visitor show your Google ad or Facebook ad and he takes one action. Let's say it is a video ad on YouTube. You know one person see that video ad till which second of the video, and then you can compel him or her to take another action like to click the button or show another video. Similarly, if one visitor sees your Facebook image ad and he clicks the button and lands on a web page, then he scrolls and goes till the 50% of the web page, and there he see a button, book now button, the second book now button, and he clicks and he fill the form, or if there is a payment option he pays you, or he just went to the payment page but did not make the payment makes the payment. You can view all these things. So this is powerful for us, for advertiser, for marketer. We can optimize our budget, our resources, our strategy, and make it work for me, for us. So as a as a traditional marketer, you never know how many people actually saw your billboard and what part he read and what action he took after seeing that billboard. Let's say you opt for a mm, newspaper ad, a full page newspaper ad. Actually, you went to specifically for the Times of India because your audience, you know that they read Times of India. But do you know when that one newspaper, the Times of India, with your ad comes to your potential customers' house, who else saw that ad? Does did that potential audience, that person which fits into your buyer persona, stop and read the content or viewed the image that you have created, that you have published for him? You never know. Yes, there are uh, methods to track the final conversion, like uh, coupon codes, like offers, like a special call number. So that can be done, but you don't know the everything about your audience and the other people who saw that ad. Why I am telling you all these things? Because most of the advertisers, I don't know how much percentage of advertisers, they don't use of this facility, this powerful facility. Today I was doing some research, and for that I was going to different websites and their Facebook ad. I was studying that. You know, out of 30 websites who were running Facebook ad, some type of Facebook ad, they haven't put Facebook pixel on their website. And this is also true for Google Analytics or Google Ads code. So they are not using analytics for taking decisions on their marketing efforts. They are not using analytics, Facebook analytics or Google analytics or any type of online analytics which gives you so much information. They are not using at all. So what type of marketing is that? If are you are just doing this and that without having any type of report. If you have a website, you must have some analytics codes on that website. So it is easy to put that code. If you have a WordPress website, there are easy way to put that code and sign up in the Google Analytics or Facebook pixel and put that on your website. Even in HTML custom made website, it is easy. It is just a 5 minutes work to put that code and get at least the basic reports, basic like page views, scrolls, uh, outbound links click, inbound link click, duration of stay at one page or at the website, number of web pages one visitor visits. These type of things you can get easily. So use analytics, at least basic analytics for your business from the start, and you will understand how much powerful those informations, the informations, those small 5 line, 6 line, 8 line codes will give you each.